Pastrami Sandwich. Ingredients. Pastrami sandwich. 1 cup shredded coleslaw. 3 tablespoons Russian dressing. 2 slices Sara Lee registered artisanal bread. 7 ounces sliced pastrami more or less to taste. 2 slices Swiss cheese. Russian dressing. Half cup mayo. 2 tablespoons ketchup-style chili sauce. Find this by the ketchup in the grocery store. Half tablespoon horseradish sauce. Half teaspoon hot sauce more or less to taste. Half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika. Salt to taste. Instructions. Whisk together the Russian dressing ingredients. Place in the fridge until ready to use. Taste and season with salt, to taste. Toss coleslaw together with Russian dressing. I like 3 tablespoons of dressing, but start with 1 and go from there. Set aside. Spread a little Russian dressing on one side of both pieces of bread. Top 1 piece of bread with pastrami and cheese. Top with slaw and the other piece of bread. Eat cold or warm up in the oven or a skillet.